Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Today we are making a very healthy and easy recipe. This is keto friendly and diet friendly. I have 3 bags, 12 ounce each of frozen green beans. You can use fresh or frozen. I have 2 cans of Petite diced tomatoes. They're 1 pound each. We're going to need olive oil, garlic, salt, and fresh cilantro. So I have here 3 bags of frozen green beans. This is a very easy and healthy recipe. The reason why I just put the green beans in here, I'm going to close the lid and I'm going to let all the water drain out. We're going to throw that water away and then we're going to add our olive oil. Stir the green beans around just every couple minutes so they can get evenly cooked. Do you see that water? That's what we're going to drain out. Adding 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. I also added 2 teaspoons of salt. And we are going to mix our olive oil with our green beans. And this is on medium heat. We're going to close the lid for about 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add our tomatoes in here. I'm adding about 2 cans of tomatoes for the 3 bags of green beans. So this is optional. I like to use the hot pepper paste. I'm gonna go ahead and add a teaspoon of this. You can use mild or you don't even have to use any at all. I just feel like it gives it a really good flavor. Okay, so I added my teaspoon of pepper paste and I mixed it all together. We're gonna go ahead and let it simmer for about the next 15 minutes and then we'll come back and check on it. And then we have Karim here while I'm cooking. This is what he wanted to do. Karim? Karim. Is that really nice? So after 15 minutes that it's been boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and put it between medium and low. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our garlic and cilantro. Adding our garlic and cilantro, I'm going to go ahead and give it a stir and I'm going to let it simmer on between medium and low for the next 15 to 20 minutes and then our dish should be done. After letting it simmer for about 15 minutes between medium and low, I left the lid cracked open. Our dish is ready to plate up. This dish is a diet friendly or keto friendly. You can eat it with pita bread, or you can eat it with a fork, or you can even eat it with cabbage. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video.